Another awesome train. Check this out right here. There, right there is a corn crop growing right next to the tracks. This is not the first time I've seen it though. This happened last year too though. But those last year there was a few more of them. How do you like that? Awesome, you think? In case if you're wondering, yes, I got a haircut today, so hopefully it'll be a little bit cooler on me now. Because this is something I usually do every year in the summertime anyway, so. Anyways, I know I got one more new subscriber. I'd like to thank him or her, whoever it is. And all the other subscribers, my channel wouldn't be the way it is without you. So thank you for subscribing, and hope you have a good day, everybody, and stay safe out there, okay?